Take a look at the 2019 Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel-efficient, and safe. A winning combination, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, security system. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.